hurt, man?
Just my dignity.
Well, Squirrel jumped on that forklift feeling 10 feet tall. Steel toes on the pedals like he owned the whole damn hall. Blaring on the horn like Moses parting up the lane. High as a Georgia pine and driving straight insane. Round that blind corner like he was racing Daytona White. Then a wham into that H-beam at about Mach 5. Yeah, Squirrel took his last ride in that warehouse night. Bent the beam, bent the frame, bent his pride up tight. Burned them tires like he could push the steel aside. Punching that wheel like the beam committed a crime. Chris and Brian just stood there staring at the scene. And Ben said, buddy, you heard. He said, just my dignity. Forklift screaming, tires smoking, rubber in the air. Trying to drag that pole like physics wasn't there. Angry like a hornet with a paycheck on the line. Beating on the steering wheel like it owed him time. Supervisor's frozen like it's some kind of show. Two grown men watching his whole damn life explode. Yeah, Squirrel took his last ride in that warehouse night. Bent the beam, bent the frame, bent his pride up tight. Burned them tires like he could push the steel aside. Punching that wheel like the beam committed a crime. Chris and Brian just stood there staring at the scene. And Ben said, buddy, you heard. He said, just my dignity. They walked into the office, said, son, we got a test. He said, no problem, boss, I'm sober at my best. Pulled out some mystery juice, colder than a Coors. Trying to fake God, gravity, and laboratory lore. 7 kinds of demons swimming at his stream. That cup lit up like Christmas morning 2013. Bama got run over by a reindeer on TV. But Squirrel got ran over by reality. Chestnuts roasting on an Usher fine. And HR singing Silent Night for the end of his time. Yeah, Squirrel took his last ride in that warehouse night. Bent the beam, bent the frame, bent his pride up tight. Burned the tires like he could push the steel aside. Punching that wheel like the beam committed a crime. Chris and Brian just stood there staring at the scene. And Ben said, buddy, you heard. He said, just my dignity.